Hello, my name is Rich Howard, owner of Architectural Builder Supply, and this video is to bring you a closer look at the Bobrick number B-6737 by 24. This is a satin finish square towel bar from Bobrick. The 6737 is simply representative of what this item is. It's a towel bar with a square bar to it. Now, there's a link below this video to a document called Product Specification that will allow you to review the item and allow you to see how the part number changes as the length changes and as the finish changes. Turns out, when you add the 7 at the very end, it becomes a satin finish. So a B-673 is polished. When you add a 6737, it becomes satin. The only length available in satin from Bobrick is 24 inch per that link to the product technical data sheet. So everything is stainless steel on the unit. I mean, possibly with the exception of the set screw that's down in the base, which I'll show you more in a moment. So then the balance of the technical data sheet will give you all of the important dimensional properties, and we're going to go over those right now. So first of all, this is a 24-inch model. 24-inch model really is pretty much a dimension on what the outside of the pads are, the mounting posts, because the actual length of the square tube is 24 inch. So it's almost to the outside of each side. So an overall width of a 24-inch unit outside of viscussion is about 25.5. It has a clear inside usable space of about 23 inch. 23 inch in here, 25.5 out to here. Okay. Now we're going to lose the posts and the assembly. Let's just start with this tube since I've already got it. It's 3/4 inch square, 3/4 by 3/4. Okay. The net length of the tube is again going to be 24 inch. It's a little shy on that actually. Now you've got your mounting pads or posts. Overall projection about 3 1/4. Okay. This escutcheon is a 2x2 sort of dimension and is ubiquitous, very common across the Bobrick line, whether it's a towel bar or a toilet paper holder or a or a coat hook, things of that nature. You'll find 2x2 everywhere. Obviously, these have to be handed because the set screw is pointed down to the bottom, and we're going to go over that in a moment, so you'll get one of each. This post shows the mounting plate installed or set into the unit. This one I have it removed, and here is the plate. You'll mount this to the wall, the flat side towards the wall, the fingers pointed towards the top. When you get that attached to the wall, and Bobrick does get you started with some screws, at least started, you will install the fingers into the little preparations that are here and here. And once you have that installed, it'll just be gravity at that point that'll hold it on. You bring your small screwdriver in to tighten the set screw and finish the installation. Okay, and then at that point you're in good shape. Okay, it's all stainless steel, as I said earlier, 18/8 stainless with a brushed finish. 16 gauge wall plates, 22 gauge square tube. There's a paragraph pertaining to installation, which we've just quite frankly discovered through going through the process. They do give you dimensional properties in terms of where to mount everything. The Y dimension will show you the center to center, which is going to correlate to the hole locations for the screws, and that is under the installation Y dimension. Center to center of concealed wall plates must be within 1/16 of an inch of the Y dimension, and per the table above, the Y dimension is 23 5/8. So you have a very small amount of tolerance, but anyway, you install hardware, you'll certainly be able to install that correctly. Okay, and as that table also infers, you can buy the same 24 inch in the polished finish as we had discussed earlier. So finally, the name Bobrick is synonymous with all things commercial bathroom hardware related. There's a link below this video to the manufacturer's page where you can pull up not only all of the Bobrick items that we sell, but a link to the manufacturer's website along with a link to the manufacturer's product catalog. But also on that page are some other important documents that we've been able to assemble pertaining to Bobrick, such as their service list, their parts service list, and manual. There is a ADA standards for accessible design that has been created probably by some branch of the federal government. Lock and key reference, which is real handy. Toilet partition catalog and planning guide from published from Bobrick is also there. So handy links on that page as well. If you have any questions on the Bobrick, this is their part number B-6737 in a 24-inch size, or any other Bobrick item, please feel free to reach out to us. Thank you.